we've got some great diversity, and I'll tell you, from never having lived in Connecticut, it's not something that I ever imagined. From outside Connecticut, I think of everybody here as like pink shorts and pop collars and sailboats. But my partner actually grew up in Milford, and it's a very nice all American town. And we do our work in West Haven. It's a like very diverse community. And one of the things that impressed me the most about Connecticut was just the number of like household names of businesses that have either roots here or presence here, and it's very inspiring. So to be doing a manufacturing company here around all these great names is awesome. We at Thermaxx, we have people from all different areas. We have our CAD department that's a lot of it's probably skews on the younger side. A lot of graduates from technical schools around here. A lot of people who've been homegrown. But you walk in there and it's kind of our Thermaxx NASA. There's not quite as nice as here, but screens all around and TVs showing progress and stuff like that. And then you go out to the production floor, and we've got sewing machines humming away, jackets on racks. So again, monitors kind of displaying where everything is. It's just, and then you go out into the field, and we've got our field crews who do the measuring and the install and the pipe installation. So it's a really diverse group, and obviously the sales organization, their salespeople are their own type of thing. It's we're just all over the place. It's great. And I love being able to give people the option to either grow with the company or use us as a stepping stone.